How AI will impact cryptocurrencies and AI-centric crypto projects. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm in recent years, with Bitcoin leading the way as the most well-known and widely used digital currency. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, many are wondering how artificial intelligence, AI, will impact the future of cryptocurrencies. In this blog post, we will explore the potential impact of AI on cryptocurrencies and the blockchain. The use of AI in the crypto space can have significant implications for the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and the efficient processing of blockchain data. The Graph Decentralized Protocol is one such example of how AI and crypto can be used together to enable more efficient and scalable dApps. Speed. Artificial intelligence is more than capable of being used effectively in the crypto space. One of the most significant ways that AI will impact cryptocurrencies is through increased efficiency. Currently, transactions on the blockchain can take several minutes to be verified and processed. However, with the use of AI algorithms, these transactions could be processed much faster, potentially reducing the time it takes to complete a transaction from minutes to seconds. This increased efficiency would make cryptocurrencies more appealing to mainstream consumers who are used to fast and convenient payment systems. This can be particularly useful in the context of cryptocurrency trading, where decisions must be made quickly based on a large volume of data, such as price movements, trading volumes, and social media sentiment. AI algorithms can analyze this data in real time and make informed trading decisions based on patterns and insights. Security. Another way that AI will impact cryptocurrencies is through improved security. The blockchain is already a highly secure system, but with the addition of AI algorithms, it could become even more secure. AI algorithms could be used to identify potential security breaches and stop them before they occur. Additionally, AI could be used to identify patterns in fraudulent activity and prevent fraudulent transactions from taking place. With the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, the risk of fraud is also increasing. AI algorithms can analyze patterns of transactions and identify potentially suspicious and/or fraudulent activity, helping to prevent losses for investors and safeguard the integrity of the blockchain network. Mining. The use of AI can also help optimize cryptocurrency mining operations, a very intricate aspect of cryptocurrencies. Currently, mining requires a significant amount of computational power, which can be expensive and energy-intensive. However, AI algorithms could be used to optimize the mining process. Machine learning algorithms are able to analyze data on energy consumption, hardware performance, and network conditions to improve mining efficiency and reduce costs. This can help make cryptocurrency mining more sustainable and profitable. Crypto projects in the AI space. These are just a few examples of cryptocurrency projects that are focused on integrating AI technology into their platforms. As the field continues to develop, we can expect to see more projects emerge that aim to combine the power of blockchain and AI to create innovative solutions for a variety of industries. The Graph Decentralized Protocol is a promising example of how AI and crypto can be used together to enable more efficient and scalable dApps. The Graph allows developers to build dApps that can efficiently search, process, and analyze blockchain data. It uses a network of nodes that index blockchain data and make it available for querying. These nodes are incentivized to provide high-quality indexing services by receiving the Graph (GRT) tokens as rewards. The Graph protocol can potentially be used in conjunction with AI technologies to analyze and derive insights from blockchain data. Machine learning algorithms could be used to analyze patterns in transaction data indexed by the Graph, which could be used to identify market trends or predict future price movements. This could enable more efficient and accurate trading decisions, as well as improve fraud detection and prevention. Furthermore, the Graph's decentralized nature makes it highly resilient and secure, as it does not rely on a central authority or third-party service to manage and index blockchain data. This makes it well suited for use in applications that require high levels of security and transparency. Another cryptocurrency-based project related to AI is Fetch.ai, a decentralized platform that uses AI and machine learning (ML) technologies to enable autonomous economic agents (AEAs) to perform tasks such as transactions, data sharing, and prediction. The platform aims to provide a decentralized infrastructure for creating, deploying, and managing AEAs, which can be thought of as digital entities that can interact with each other to carry out tasks autonomously. Fetch.ai is focused on developing practical applications for AEAs in areas such as transportation, supply chain management, and energy management. For example, The platform has developed a pilot project for optimizing transportation routes using AEAs, which aims to reduce congestion and improve efficiency in transportation networks. SingularityNet, AGIX, is a decentralized AI marketplace that aims to create a global platform for AI developers and users to share resources and collaborate on AI projects. AGIX is the cryptocurrency used to power the SingularityNet platform, and I already covered all the key aspects of this project some time ago in this episode of my Crypto Corner video podcast, when I placed Singularity on your crypto radar. Deep Brain Chain, DBC, is another decentralized AI computing platform that aims to provide a low-cost, secure, and scalable infrastructure for AI training and model deployment. The platform uses blockchain technology to create a distributed network of computing resources that can be shared among users and enterprises to perform AI-related tasks. The DBC platform provides several key features that are designed to support the development and deployment of AI models, including a secure data exchange, a decentralized AI training and inference system, and a distributed AI marketplace. The secure data exchange allows users to share data with each other in a secure and private manner, while the decentralized AI training and inference system enables users to train and deploy AI models on the network. The distributed AI marketplace provides a platform for users to buy and sell AI models and services using DBC tokens. Overall, these platforms have the potential to transform the AI industry by enabling the development and deployment of AI models in a more efficient, secure, and cost-effective way. By leveraging blockchain technology and decentralized computing resources, these platforms are democratizing access to AI technology and making it more accessible for businesses and individuals. Numerai is an innovative platform that brings together the worlds of AI, machine learning, and blockchain technology to create a unique approach to investing. In its core, this is a decentralized hedge fund that combines artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and blockchain technology to make investment decisions. The platform allows data scientists to create predictive models based on financial data, which is then used by Numerai's trading algorithms to make investment decisions. Numerai's unique approach allows data scientists from all over the world to participate in creating models, as the data is encrypted and anonymized to protect users' privacy. One of the key advantages of Numerai is that it allows for a decentralized approach to investing, as opposed to traditional hedge funds that are managed by a centralized team of analysts. This decentralized approach allows for greater transparency and accountability, as anyone can participate and contribute to the platform. Cortex, CTXC, is a decentralized artificial intelligence, AI, platform that allows developers to create and deploy AI-powered applications on the blockchain. Cortex uses AI to create intelligent contracts that can execute complex tasks, making it easier for developers to create decentralized applications with advanced features. One of the key features of Cortex is its ability to support multiple AI algorithms, making it a versatile platform for a wide range of applications. Cortex's AI engine supports popular algorithms such as neural networks, decision trees, and support vector machines, as well as custom algorithms created by developers. Cortex's platform also includes a smart contract compiler that allows developers to write AI-powered smart contracts in a variety of programming languages. The smart contracts are then compiled into the blockchain, making them immutable and tamper-proof. Cortex also has its own cryptocurrency, CTXC, which is used as a means of payment for computational resources on the platform. Developers can use CTXC to pay for AI resources such as training data, computational power, and data storage. By supporting multiple AI algorithms and providing a versatile platform for developers, Cortex is helping to drive innovation in the field of AI and blockchain technology. Barriers for AI. There are several barriers to entry for AI in the cryptocurrency space that can make it challenging for new entrants to develop and deploy AI applications. One major challenge is the quality of data available in the cryptocurrency space. While AI models rely on high-quality data to generate accurate predictions and insights, the quality of data in the cryptocurrency space can be variable. This is because cryptocurrency data is often unstructured and subject to manipulation, which can make it difficult to develop accurate and reliable AI models. Another barrier to entry is limited adoption. While there is growing interest in using AI in the cryptocurrency space, adoption is still relatively limited. This can make it difficult for new entrants to gain traction and build a user base for their AI applications. Additionally, developing and deploying AI models requires specialized technical expertise in machine learning algorithms, data processing, and programming languages. This can be a barrier for those who do not have a background in these areas. Regulatory uncertainty is another challenge that can make it difficult for new entrants to develop and deploy AI applications in the cryptocurrency space. The cryptocurrency space is still relatively unregulated, and there is a degree of uncertainty around how regulations will evolve in the future. This can create uncertainty for those developing AI applications in the cryptocurrency space, as they may not know how their applications will be affected by future regulations. Addressing these challenges will require a combination of technical expertise, regulatory clarity, and trust-building measures to ensure that users feel comfortable using AI applications in the cryptocurrency space. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global artificial intelligence market size was valued at $62.35 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 40.2% from 2021 to 2028. By 2028, the AI market size is projected to reach $997.77 billion. Another report by Research and Markets projects that the global AI market will grow at a CAGR of 42.2% from 2021 to 2026, with the market size expected to reach $309.6 billion by 2026. These statistics demonstrate the significant growth potential of the AI industry in the next 5 years. With advancements in technology and increased adoption across various industries, AI is poised to continue its rapid growth and transformational impact on society. Thanks for watching.